Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Measures of Central Tendency, exercise 3.4. In that, same number 1, find all quartiles for the data given below about marks scored by 15 students in class test. N equal to 15 here. We have to find out all quartiles, means Q1, Q2, Q3. First, what we will do, we will arrange all observation which is given in row form in ascending order, like this: 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. And here n equal to 15. Now, first we will find out quartiles. Quartile means Q1. Formula of quartile is n plus 1 upon 4. Here first quartile we will write down here 1. Now n equal to 15 plus 1 divided by 4. So 16 upon 4 equal to fourth observation. Here fourth observation. So we have to find out here fourth observation. The fourth observation would be 1, 2, 3. This would be our fourth observation. Means Q1 equal to 4. Now quartile 2. Formula would be quartile 2 n plus 1 upon 4. Same formula. Write down here n equal to 15. Add it, 15 1 16 divided by 4. We will get 4 into 2. We will get 8th observation. 8th observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our fourth observation. So students, quartile 2 is our here 6. Quartile 2 equal to median. Now third, quartile 3. So we write here quartile 3 means 3. Then same formula, n plus 1 upon 4. We will write down here n equal to 15 plus 1 upon 4, outside 3. We will divide 16 by 4. We will get 4 into 3. We will get 12th observation. 12th observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. So 12 observation is 7. So here quartile 3 equal to 7. Now second number sum. The following table shows data about distance traveled in kilometer by a salesman on different days. Find median, quartile 3, decile 8, percentile 62, and interpret them. Here they have given us distance traveled in kilometer. 0 to 100 kilometer in 5 days they are traveling. 100 to 200 they are traveling in 18 days. 200 to 300 kilometer 24 days. Like this they have given us data. Now we will make column according to that. We will write down here continuous frequency, then number of days, then we will find out CF cumulative frequency means 5 plus 18 23, 23 plus 24 47, 47 plus 7 54, 54 plus 5 59, 59 plus 1 60. Now we have to find out here median. For finding median, First we will find down n upon 2. So observation. So observation. N upon 2. N equal to 60 here. So we will find out here 30th observation. So we have find out 30th observation. So if we see in CF column 30 comes here. So in CF class, frequency class, our class is 200 to 300. Then we will apply formula here, L plus. So L means 200 is our L. Then we know N upon 2, that is 60 divided by 230, minus CF. So CF means the class previous to frequency class. This is our CF. 23 is our CF. Then into C. C means class length. Class length is our 100. By here or here you can find out here class equal to 100. Then divided by F. Divided by F. F means class frequency 24. This is our F. Write down here L equal to 200, CF equal to 23, F equal to 24, C equal to 100. Then find out quartile 3. Quartile 3 means first you have to write down here 3, then quartiles formula n upon 4th observation, 3 n equal to 60 divided by 4, we will get 45 observation. If we see in CF column 45 observation, so 45 comes here. So L equal to 200, class length equal to C equal to 100, then CF equal to 23, previous class of frequency class, then F equal to 24. We will write down here in this formula. Quartile 3 equal to L plus n upon 3 n upon 4 minus CF, then L equal to 200, write down same here, CF equal to 23, F equal to 24 into 100. We will write down 200 as it is, solve this, we will write down here answer, then into 100. Then write down 200 as it is, answer of this we will write down here and into 100. Then 200 we will write down as it is, we will solve this and we will write down here 90.167. Then by adding this we will get quartile 3 equal to 291.67. Traveling on, quartile 3 means 75%. Quartile 3 means 75%. So traveling on 75% days will be 291.67 kilometer or less. Then we have to find out in this sum decile 8. Decile 8, here n equal to 60, decile 8. First we will find out decile 8 means 8 n upon 10, because decile 10 parts are there, decile 1, decile 2, decile 3, decile 4, decile 5, 10, n equal to 10 here. Now 8, 60 divided by 10, we will get 48th observation. So if we see in cumulative frequency table, we will get class 300 to 400. So this is our L. Then previous class of cumulative frequency of frequency class, we will get CF equal to 47. Then frequency of frequency class 7, C equal to, we know, 100 class length. We will put in formula L plus 8 n upon 100 minus CF upon F into C. Write down all values in formula. We will get D8 equal to 314.29. So here traveling on 80%, because decile means 10 10 10. So decile 8 means 80%. Days will be 314.29 kilometer or less. Now here we have to find out percentile 62. Percentile means 100. So for finding percentile 62, we will write down here 62 n upon 100, n equal to 60 here. We will get answer 37.2. observation. If we see in cumulative frequency table, we will get class P62 equal to 200 to 300. In this, L equal to 200. CF means class, previous class frequency in CF table. We will get CF equal to 23, F equal to 24. Class length would be 100. Then we put in formula P62 equal to L plus 62 n upon 100 minus CF upon F into C. We put all values in formula, then find out answer. We will get P62 equal to 259.17. Traveling on 62% days, because here we are finding in percentage, percentile will be 259.17 kilometer or less. Then sum number 13. The following table gives ages of 80 students selected from a college. Find the median age. Also find quartile 1, decile 4, percentile 32 for age and interpret them. Here they have given us age in years, number of students. 17 years age, students 11. 18 years age, 14, and so on. We will make here table. First we will make table and write down here age 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then number frequency column 11, 14, 22, 15, 8, 6, 4. Then makes cumulative frequency table. 11 means 11, 11 plus 14, 25, 25 plus 22, we will get 47, 47 plus 15, we will get 62, 62 plus 8, we will get 70, 70 plus 6, 76, 76 plus 4, 80, n equal to 18. Now, formula of median, m equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2, the observation, because this is discrete frequency distribution. So here we will put n equal to 80 plus 1 divided by 2, 40.5. So observation. So according to CF table, 40.5 will come here. So m equal to 19 here. M equal to 19 here. Age of 50% students means median equal to 50%, middle class 50%, students will be 19 years or less. Now find out quartile here. Q1. Q1 formula we will write down here 1 n plus 1 upon 4th observation we will write down here 80 plus 1 divided by 4 value of 20.25th observation according to CF table. Our class of that table quartile 1 equal to 18. Age of 25% students will be 18 years or less. Then find out decile 4. N equal to 80. Decile 4 formula first we will write down here 4. Then n plus 1 upon 10. We will put value n equal to 80. 4 plus 1 upon 10 we will write down here value of this. We will find out 32.4th observation according to CF table. We will find out here according to CF table D4 equal to 19. So age of 40% students will be 19 years or less. Then find out P32. P32 formula would be first write down 32, then percentile is here, so we will write down here discrete frequency is there, then we will write down here n plus 1, then percentile, so we will divide by 100. 32, 80 plus 1 upon 100 we will get 25.92th observation according to CF table. Now here 25.92. So according to CF table, if we see 25, according to 25 we will get 18 in discrete frequency. Then what about 92? So we will write down formula here. 18 plus 0.92 means then in discrete column, variable column, next variable 19 minus class variable 18, we will deduct from it, we will get it 18 plus 0.92, we will and 19 minus 8 we will multiply 0.92 by 1 we will get 0.92, 18 plus 0.92 we will get 18.92. So age of 40 students will be 19 years or less. Use the following data to find the median salary of employees in a firm. Also find the lower limit for the richest 20% employees. Here they have given us salary in thousands rupees and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution is given. The difference between two successive lower boundary point is 5. Here class length is 5. Salary in 1000, 5 or more, 10 or more, 15 or more, 20 or more, 25 or more, 30 or more. And number of employees they given in more than cumulative frequency. So we have to find out here original frequency distribution in less than type frequency distribution. Now salary 5 or more. Here we will make column to find out original frequency distribution and less than type cumulative frequency. So here 120, 117, 106, 76, 31, 12 frequency they have given us. First we will find out original class frequency distribution. So automatically we can know here 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. As it is you will write here 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Now Now find out original frequency distribution. 120 minus 117, so 3 will be result. Then 117 minus 106, we will get 11. 106 minus 76, 30. 76 minus 31, 45. Then 31 minus 12, 19, and at last 12. Then find out cumulative frequency. 3 as it is 3 plus 11, 14. 14 plus 30, 44. 44 plus 45, 89. 89 plus 19, 108. 108 plus 12, 120. As given in the question, find out median. Formula for median is m equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into C. This is continuous frequency distribution. So, we will write down formula first. Class of n upon 2th observation. This is continuous frequency distribution. So, we have written here n upon 2. Class number, the total of frequency column is 120 divided by 2. We will get class of 60th observation. 60th observation will come here in more than 60, 89. So class for that is 20 to 25. Now, this is our lower limit. Class length is our 5. Class length is 5. Then CF would be 44. Our frequency F equal to 45. Write down into the formula. We have written in formula L plus n upon 2 minus Cf. Put all values. We have already find out. Then answer would be m equal to 21.78. Salary of 50% employees will be rupees 21.78 thousand or less. Now, here we have to find out 20% of employees are richest employees. Means 80% employees are getting wages then less than 80. Less than 80. So, we will find out here P80. In the sum, they have given us 20% of employees are richest employees. And we have to find out here the lower limit for the richest 20% employees. Lower limit. So, 20% the lower limit would be P80. So, here we have to find out P80. Formula for P80 would be, this is continuous frequency distribution, so we will write down here class that includes P80 means 80, P means percentile, so n upon 100, 80, n equal to 120 divided by 100, 80 into 1.2, 96th observation. 96 observation will come here 108. Then our frequency class now here answer is 96 observation. So 96 observation will come here 108 line. So our frequency in frequency distribution, our lower limit would be 25, class length 5, then our frequency is 19, then CF is 89. Now put into the formula. Referring to column CFPAT, we already find out 25 to 30. According to that, we will put all values into the formula and find out answer. L plus we have taken 25, then 80 into n upon 100 we have already answered 96. CF equal to we already find out 89, F equal to 19. Put all value into the formula, then we will get here 26.84 answer in 1000. Now, hence the lower limit of 20% of employees getting maximum wage will be 26.84 thousand. Now, sum number 5. The following table shows the monthly expenses for entertainment in a group of 100 students. Find the median of this expense. Here we have to find out median. Expense less than 200. Number of students are 8. Then 200 to 400. Number of students are 23. 400 to 600. Number of students are 40. 600 to 700. Number of students are 17. 700 to 800. Number of students are 7. 800 or above. Number of students are 5. Here we have to find out median of this class. Now we obtain the cumulative frequency distribution for the given frequency distribution. First we write down expenses, then frequency, then find out cumulative frequency. 8 plus 23 equal to 31, then plus 40, 71, plus 17, 88, plus 7, 95, plus 500. Now, n equal to 100, we have to find out here median. So, write down median formula. First, we have to find out class of n upon 2th observation. Answer would be class of 50th observation. According to CF table, class of m would be 400 to 600, because here answer is 50th observation. So more than 50, 71 is here. According to that, class 400 to 600, lower boundary point 400, class length 200, then F 40, then CF is 31. Put into the formula. Formula m equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into C. Now L equal to 400, n upon 2 is given, CF minus 31, F 40, class length is 200. Now solve this. 400, 100 divided by 250, minus 31, we will write down as it is 40 or 200. Now m equal to 400, 50 minus 31, 19 divided by 40 into 200. 400 write as it is. Now 90 divided by 400 into 200 would be 95. Add it, then m equal to 495. Monthly expense of 50% of students will be rupees 495 or less. Now sum number 6. The following data indicates records of hospital stays in days of 30 patients admitted to a hospital. Here they have given us raw information. We have to find out the median step. Further convert this information into a continuous frequency distribution, means inclusive type, by taking classes of equal length starting from 1 to 3. Classes starting from 1 to 3. On this which we have to prepare continuous frequency distribution, an inclusive type of frequency distribution. From the frequency distribution given here and compare it with your earlier answer. So first we have to find out median according to raw or discrete distribution. Then we have to find out median according to continuous frequency distribution. Then we have to compare the answer that it is right or it is right means it is equal or not. Now first we will arrange all observations in ascending order as written here. 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4, then 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 9 9 10 10 or 15. Here n equal to 30. So according to discrete frequency distribution, formula of median is value of the n plus 1 upon 2th observation, n equal to 30 plus 1 upon 2, answer 50.5 observation. Now according to formula, value of 15th observation plus 0.5, then in the bracket value of 16th observation minus 15th observation. Value of 15th observation, what we have arranged in ascending order, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now here they have given us 15th observation. According to 15th observation, our value of 4. Now write down into the formula 4. Then plus 0.5. Then 16th observation is also 4. What we have arranged in ascending order. Then 15th observation we know 4. Write down 4 as it is plus 0.4. 4 minus 4 would be 0. Now 4 plus 0.5 into 0 would be 0. If we multiply any number by 0, then we are going to get answer 0. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. So here median according to the discrete frequency distribution, answer 4. Now we convert this raw data into continuous frequency distribution on the basis of given in the sum 1 to 3. Minimum observation 1 here and maximum observation is 15 here. Initial class 1 to 3 is given. We have to prepare the inclusive frequency distribution of equal class length. Therefore, the next second class will be 4 to 6. And the last class that includes the maximum observation 15 will be 13 to 15. The inclusive continuous frequency distribution is obtained as here. Now 1 to 3, according to telemarking, we will calculate all observations given here. In first count by writing telemarking, count down 1 1 2 2 3 3, that would be 13 here. 4 to 6 observation 9 here. You know very well how to count by telemarking all observation. between 7 to 9, 5 observations are there, 10 to 12, 2 observations are there, 13 to 15, 1 observations are there. Write down frequency distribution, then find out cumulative frequency distribution. 13 plus 9, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 2, 29 plus 1 equal to 30. N equal to 13 here. Now, according to formula, median L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into C, because we are going to find out median according to continuous frequency distribution. Now, class of N upon 2th observation, we know N equal to 30 upon 2, 15th observation. Now, according to CF table, class of 15th observation is 15th observation more than 15, 22 is there. According to that, class is 4 to 6. Now, we have to convert this inclusive class into exclusive form. For converting it, we have to deduct 0.5 from lower boundary point. So 4 minus 0.5, we will get 3.5. And in upper class, we have to add 0.5. So 6 plus 0.5, we will get 6.5. So our class, exclusive class, would be 3.5 to 6.5. So our lower boundary point is 3.5, then class length is 6.5 minus 3.5, class length 3, then frequency 9, CF 13. Put into the formula L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into C. Put all values. L equal to 3.5, then N 30 divided by 2, CF equal to 13 upon N, F equal to, class length is 3.5 write as it is. Then first solve 30 divided by 2, 15 minus 13 divided by 9 into 3. 3.5 write as it is. Solve this, all will get 0.67. Add it, you will get median 4.17. Median by both the methods are almost same, because here we are getting 4.17. 4.17 is equal to 4 days. So median of classified or unclassified data are approximately equal. Now students, thanks for watching. Keep studying. Till then, bye. Thank you.